Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the binomial distribution in Excel. So we have x and it is a binomial random variable. N is equal to 49, p is equal to 0.55, and we're going to compute both of these probabilities. So let's do the first one, the probability that x equals 23. So left click on your cell, type in equals, and then type in BINOM, and there it is, binom dist, so dot dist, parentheses. And notice it tells us what the parameters are. So the number s is the number of successes. So for our first example here, that would be 23. So 23, comma. The probability, or the trials, is the next one. So that would be n, so 49. And the probability of success would be 0.55. And then cumulative. So whenever it's equal, you want to put false. If it's less than or equal to, you want to put true. So we're going to put false. Type in enter, and there's our first probability. All right, let's do the next one. So again, it's equals, binom dot dist, parentheses. So the number s, the number of successes, in this case is 45. The trials is 49. The probability of success, that's what the s is for, is 0.55. This time it's true because we want the less than or equal to. So we type in true, hit enter. There is the probability. I hope this video has been helpful.